Hi guys, for this second video I'm talking to you about participial adjectives, the fact that we use verbs as adjective. You know this, it's a bit like in French. Some of you know this, I would say, by instinct. And here is the thing. Most present and past participle forms of verbs that describe emotion or feeling can be used as adjective, but the meaning of the participle are not the same. A fresh ocean breeze on a hot summer day is refreshing, rafraîchissant, rafraîchissant. Here the ing is rafraîchissant, rafraîchissante. This is an adjective. So I feel refreshed. Je me sens rafraîchi. Et là, c'est le participe passé. Past participle of the verb. The third column of irregular verb. Or, ed. The breeze is refreshing. Rafraîchissante, rafraîchissant. Okay, the ing. I feel refreshed. Je me sens rafraîchi. Je me sens mordu, mordu. Je me sens mordu. Donc, troisième colonne, ou ed. So, you have all these examples over here. Bore, boring, bored. Challenging, challenged. So, it's just to remind you that the adjectives are based on verbs, adjective based on verb. Verbs can be in these two forms. Present participle, ing, and past participle, ed. Mordu égale ed, ou troisième colonne des verbes irréguliers. Forget, forgot, forgotten. I will ask you to try the exercises over here about this. Okay, so this is another little point of grammar I want you to practice this week. And next week will be probably the last bit of serious stuff I'm going to ask you to do on the school site. Don't forget to do your project that you're doing right now, you know, on overconsumption. It's due pretty soon. Don't forget. All right.